Good morning, everyone. This is Saujanya working as Assistant Professor in CSE Department at GRIT. In this lecture, we are going to learn the next topic in the virtualization, that is virtualization for data center automation. Here, the data center automation means allocating huge volumes of hardware, software, and database resources dynamically to millions of internet users simultaneously with guaranteed quality of services and cost effectiveness. This automation process is triggered by the growth of virtualization products and cloud computing services. Other services are high availability, backup services, workload balancing, and further increases in the client bases. Here in this one, we need to know that the server consolidation in the data center, how it will be there. Virtualization based server consolidation is the best approach to improve the low utility ratio of hardware resources by reducing the number of physical servers. In general, the use of virtual machine increases the resource management complexity. Here some of the side effects of the server virtualization. Consolidation enhances the hardware utilization. Many underutilized servers are consolidated into few servers to enhance the resource utilization. Consolidation also facilitates backup services and disaster recovery. This approach enables more agile provisioning deployment of the resources. In a virtual environment, the image of the guest OS and their applications are readily cloned and reused. The total cost of ownership is reduced. Server virtualization causes deferred purchases of new servers. A small data center footprint, lower maintenance costs, and lower power cooling and cabling requirements. This approach improves the availability. Next, virtual storage management. This storage includes the storage managed by VMM and guest OS. Parallax designed a novel architecture in which storage features that have traditionally been implemented and relocated into a federation of storage virtual machines. These storage virtual machines share the same physical host as the virtual machines that they serve. It is a set of per host storage appliances that share access to a common block device and presents virtual disks to the client virtual machines. Here is the parallel system architecture, how it will be there. Here it is a shared block device. Here we are having the any network block device may be used as FC, AOE, GNBD, NFS based file or petal, etc. This is the storage administration. This is the store appliances, virtual machines here, and on the top of every hardware we are having the Zen will be there. How it will be stored we can see here. This is a storage administration domain which will functionality such as snapshot facilities that are traditionally implemented within the storage devices are pushed out into a per host storage appliances. Next, for each physical machine, Parallax customizes a special storage appliances VM. The storage appliances VM acts as a block virtualization layer between the individual machines and the physical storage device. Parallax is a set of per host storage appliances that share access to a common block device and presents virtual disk to a client virtual machines. A virtualization layer is inserted between the hardware and traditional operating system. This procedure complicates storage operations. Storage management of the guest OS performs as though it is operating in a real hard disk, while the guest OSs cannot access the hard disk directly. Here, Cloud OS for virtualized data centers. The data center must be virtualized to serve as the cloud providers. The below table will having the four virtualization infrastructures and OSs. This virtual infrastructure managers and OS are specially tailored for virtualizing data centers which often own many servers in cluster. Nimbus, Eucliptus, and OpenNebula are open source software available to the public. Only vSphere 4 is a proprietary OS for cloud resource virtualization and management over the data centers. Here we are having the free open source software Nimbus, Eucliptus, OpenNebula, vSphere. What are the resources being virtualized? Web link is provided here. Client API language, hypervisors used. What are the hypervisors used in this software? And public cloud interface, which type of public cloud is available in this open source software, and special features of this software will be available in this table. Next is this trust management in virtualized data centers. A VMM provides a layer of software between the operating system as well as in the hardware to create one or more virtual machines on a single physical platform. A virtual machine entirely encapsulates the state of the guest operating system running inside it. Encapsulated machine state can be copied and shared over the network and removed like a normal file, which process challenges to VM security. A VMM can provide secure isolation and a virtual access hardware resources, though the control of the VMM. The VMM is the base of the security of a virtual system. Normally, one VM is taken as a management virtual machine to have some privileges such as creating, suspending, resuming, or deleting a virtual machine. Once a hacker successfully enters the VMM or management VM, the whole system is in danger. So, in this lecture, we all know about the virtualization cluster as well as that remaining things. Okay, thank you. Hope everyone will be understood this chapter. Okay, thank you.